I decided to run an experiment and try using old organizers in unconventional ways. Hello and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In my videos I help people organize their spaces. Today I'll show you some creative ways to use everyday organizers to tidy up your home. So let's get started! Even a simple cutting board can serve as an organizer. Right now I'll show you a few creative ideas on how to use a board with feet to organize your space. The first unique use is to turn the board into a bookshelf. Its feet will securely hold all your books in place, preventing them from falling. You can place this organizer on a desk and use it to store school textbooks, for example. Or maybe you'd prefer to put it on a shelf or a dresser to organize books? Why not? This option is especially useful for small spaces where every inch counts. This next idea is for those who want to create a tea or coffee corner in the kitchen. The board with feet is perfect for organizing that space. It's convenient to place all your tea essentials on it, whether it's tea, cups, a sugar bowl, or anything else you want to keep within easy reach. This storage method makes the space tidier and more organized. The third option is to use the board as a stand for a tablet or laptop. This solution is especially handy for those who work from home. The board provides a comfortable work surface and can easily be moved around the house as needed. As we can see, this cutting board is not just a kitchen accessory, but a multifunctional item that can significantly simplify space organization and add coziness to your home. Just a heads up, this idea surprised many people. For it, we'll use this metal hook, which is designed to attach to interior doors or cabinet doors. You can also use it on a glass door in the bathroom to hang towels, loungewear, or even a bag of kids' toys. My talented viewers taught me a trick. If you take this hook with you when traveling, you can hang your bag on it, for example, when you are having dinner at a restaurant or even on a plane. If you like this idea, please give this video a like. These hanging organizers are familiar to many. They are usually attached to a shelf, cleverly using the space that would otherwise go unused. In one of my videos you may have already seen this idea where the organizer is hung in a closet near the clothing rod. Today I want to share another creative idea for using it. Try attaching it to the closet door vertically instead of horizontally as we are used to doing. Now you can organize anything in it, whether it's garbage or shopping bags or even cleaning supplies. By the way, you can also hang this organizer in the bathroom on a regular towel warmer or a towel rack. This organizer is also useful in the bedroom if you attach it to the side of the bed. It's perfect for holding a book you are currently reading or even a phone. Though with the phone you need to be careful so it doesn't fall through the gap in the organizer. But for larger items, this storage method is a real find. And if you don't need it anymore, it's easy to take down. A napkin holder is the best friend for anyone who loves keeping things tidy at home. I've already shared with you an interesting idea on how to store kitchen placemats in a napkin holder, but today I will show you how to use a napkin holder to organize your fridge. It's so convenient to store vacuum-sealed food in it. You can place this organizer on the fridge door, but it's even better on a shelf. It's easy to access and takes up much less space. I've had this organizer lying around unused for some time. I originally bought it to organize a drawer, but it didn't fit in the new kitchen drawers. So today I'm going to use it in a new way. I'll organize the attachments of my cordless vacuum cleaner in it. It's great that the organizer is narrow but long enough, and thanks to its high sides, all the attachments stay securely in place. These containers for storing vegetables are commonly found in kitchens. They are perfect for storing root vegetables like onions and potatoes because they allow air to circulate, they are easy to clean and can be stacked to save precious space in your kitchen. You can also use these containers in a new way, for example, to store canned goods. This way we can neatly organize items and free up space in the kitchen. Did you know that regular flower pots can be used not only for plants but also for organizing items? It's a great way to both decorate your room and organize your space. By the way, I got this idea from IKEA and they have lots of new and interesting items for the home. If you are interested, I can make a review of their new products for home organization. Plus, similar items can be found on local marketplaces if you wish. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in seeing such a review. And the question of the day is this. What idea from today's video did you like the most? If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!